the new 2026 BMW X1, elegance in motion.
The 2026 BMW M7 sets a new standard for luxury performance sedans. This new flagship from BMW's M division exemplifies a blend of advanced technology, exquisite craftsmanship, and exceptional performance, establishing a commanding presence in the ultra-luxury market. The new M7 is equipped with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, featuring mild hybrid technology, producing an impressive 720 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. The advanced 8-speed M Steptronic transmission and X-Drive all-wheel drive facilitate optimal power distribution, guaranteeing smooth traction and impressive acceleration. The M7 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.1 seconds, competing with supercars while ensuring a level of comfort akin to that of a limousine. The exterior design showcases BMW's advanced design philosophy, striking, robust, and sophisticated. The distinctive M kidney grille is accompanied by sleek laser headlights, and the sculpted lines traverse the body seamlessly, highlighting a blend of assertiveness and elegance. Impressive 21-inch forged alloy wheels and quad exhausts highlight its performance heritage. The M7 provides an experience of unparalleled luxury. The cabin is equipped with merino leather upholstery, meticulously crafted wood trims, and a sophisticated ambient lighting system. The rear seats are comparable to those found in private jets, offering massaging, ventilated, and fully reclining capabilities. BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system features a substantial 15.6-inch curved OLED display, complemented by a 31-inch 8K rear seat theater screen for an unparalleled entertainment experience. A Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system transforms each drive into an immersive concert hall experience. The M7 has cutting-edge technology such as Level 3 autonomous driving, adjustable suspension, smart navigation, and a full set of safety features. Each aspect is meticulously designed to ensure exceptional control and tranquility, whether navigating the Autobahn or maneuvering through urban traffic. The M engineers at BMW have carefully improved the chassis by adding features like adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and active roll stabilization to create a perfect mix of quick handling and great comfort. This represents an exemplary demonstration of dynamic balance. The starting price for the 2026 BMW M7 is $180,000. While fully equipped models can approach approximately $210,000. The new M7 epitomizes a flawless integration of speed, elegance, and advanced technology, representing the pinnacle of contemporary luxury and performance. A genuine executive super sedan.